Hello, hello, kvCORE admins and owners. This is Annalisa with Inside Real Estate, and I wanted to make sure you were aware of all of the places of which your agents can access to learn how to use and leverage kvCORE. So the first place I'm starting is this bottom left-hand side where it says Learning Portal. We just launched a really amazing 4-week program for kvCORE users, and they can access this by going in, of course, again, to the Learning Portal. They just click this little cap at the bottom left. And when they do that, the system will automatically log them in, and then they can click into kvCORE platform. And we will see the agent success plan right here. Now, there's also the quick start, which is equally important. However, this agent success plan was recently launched, and there's 51 lessons within. And they're all set to be done in quick bites of information for learning. And these are also self-paced and will track where you're at throughout the course. So when people take the course, I can, of course, click replay here to show you how it looks. But as people complete the course, it's going to walk them down this menu to show what they've completed and where they are in the process. So if I click into week 2, you can see I have all of those checked off, and I click into week 3, those are checked off, and so forth. So this is where your agents can go to start to get a understanding and a working knowledge of how to be successful with kvCORE. And within, of course, you'll see other courses such as editing your website, kvCORE Quick Start, the mortgage training for lenders. And if you ever want to find courses and see everything that's available, you can just click Find Courses at the top, and it will show you all of the options. So we have all courses, kvCORE Marketplace, kvCORE Platform, solutions for the cloud, growth strategies, etc. Now, going back into the dashboard, you can also access the support portal by clicking this little question mark, or you can actually, while you're chatting with support, you can jump into the support portal as well right here. So you can either click here within chat or this little question mark. And the support portal is where all of our technical documentation lives. So they're like, okay, I kind of get what text code does, or I kind of get what the advanced email editor does, but I kind of want to learn a little bit more about how it works. You can actually go in here and choose by keyword. So if I put in advanced, it'll take me to either the editor for the website or the email editor. I can even click on this help article to get specific types of information. So if I'm looking for scripts and strategies, I can look within, and then I can choose to look at best practices or scripts accordingly, which is kind of neat. Now, the last place I want to show you is the YouTube access. Actually, I guess there's 2 ways to get to the YouTube site. It's important that people know that you can go to insiderealestate.com/webinars. And this is where all of our webinars, of which Ryan and I have had, are going to be available to you. And this is also available 24/7, 365. So you can look at user interviews, traffic and conversion tactics, marketplace add-ons, kvCORE basics, videos in chronological order, and sign up for additional events. Now, we're also located at our YouTube channel, and I have it as a shortcut for uploading here, but let me go ahead and jump to our site here. One moment for our channel, and I'll drop the link in for our channel as well. And this is our Inside Real Estate YouTube channel, and I'll grab this information and drop it onto this video when it's done formatting. So when you go here, you'll also have different types of playlists. The mobile app, team intro, success strategies, traffic lead generation conversion strategies, marketplace add-on webinars, etc. So there is a large amount of content here that is readily accessible to you and your team via YouTube, via our insiderealestate.com/webinars, via the core learning portal, and the core support portal. I hope you all have a great day.